Hi everybody, welcome to Be Free with Shri. Today I'm super excited. I'm gonna do a hairstyle by Kim Kardashian and it's called the mermaid hair or crimped hair. It's this levels of fold in your hair and it looks like silky and stuff. So I don't have the crimped iron, so I decided to do some research online and this is where I end up. I did this thick braid, 4 braids, and then I'm just ironing it giving some heat using a flat iron. So as you can see, I'm just ironing using the flat iron. So you just gotta give like enough heat and make sure you do it like for a couple of times. And it's also like if you want to get an instant one, then this is the best method. I'm also using hairspray, just to hold the curls better, because my hair is super fine hair, so nothing stays longer than what I do. So it's best to do overnight for this look. So her makeup looked a little dewy, so that is why I'm using the hydration primer by Laura Mercier. So I think that for this look it's really best if you have a really cool hydrated face. I decided we weren't gonna speak, so while we up 3 a.m. on the phone. So for more hydration, I am using face oil. So you guys can add on face oil as a base for foundation. So here I'm just using the Fenty Beauty foundation and I use shade 300 and I just use like one pump, and one pump like covers my whole face and I'm done. Talk, baby, let's just knock it off. They don't know what we've been through. They don't know about me and you. So I got something new to see. You just gon' keep hating me, and we're just gon' be enemies. I know you can't believe I could just leave it wrong, and you. So here I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer in shade 310. This concealer is actually super rich, like it's super thick, it's super pigmented, and like I'm using a lighter shade because I don't really get concealer which is like conceals my dark circles. I usually like to get the brighter one because I do have another shade which is from NYX Cosmetics, but I like to use this one. So here I'm just using a small brush and it's not working out for me, so I had to switch up to my foundation brush. Talk. So I'm using the Fenty Beauty bronzer because it's really nice as a base for the crease and also for the lower part. Talk, baby, let's just knock it off. They don't know what we've been through. As you can see, I'm using the American Spice palette and all the shades will be shown on the screen. They don't know what we've been through. They don't know about me and you. So I got something new to see. You just gon' keep hating me, and it's all about blending. I just keep blending and blending. I know you can't believe I could just leave it. So to give the pop of color, I am using the Hustler Baby highlighter by Fenty Beauty. I love this highlighter shade on my eyelid. Oh,
could you be so heartless?
So here I'm just using a white cajal to lift up the look. I really love using cajals, white cajal especially. So here I'm just using the ABH contour kit. I don't usually contour my nose, but when I'm creating looks for you guys, I usually contour it. So I'm just using this Silky Girl setting powder. It's actually a face powder, so I'm just using it just to bring out the contour more. I'm using the Benefit Brow products, and I'm not going to show you guys because I'm sure you guys have watched it a million times. And of course, Hustler Baby on my highlight points. So for lipstick, I'm using Fenty Beauty Spanked. I love this shade. You guys know it. I've been using it all over my videos. So here I'm actually not so happy with my contour, but I feel like Kim K had like really good contour, so I had to like fix it. I added more brown shade from the ABH contour kit just to lift up my look more. I'm just using a face mist just to give me that glow. So the look is all done, and now is the fun part, the crimped hair. Oh wait, I'm still gonna highlight my neck bone, even though I don't have it anymore because I've been eating unhealthy foods like chocolates and stuff. So the fun part is here. I'm opening up my braids, and I have to tell you, it kinda look good, just like how you would do it with a crimp iron. Maybe not that perfect, but you get the idea. So I don't think so Kim K had like a sleek front, but I was feeling more sleek front. So here I'm just using a hair gel just to neat things up. I want that sleek front hair, so just applying some hair gel on it. So I've been obsessed with this L'Oreal hair oil, and I usually use the orange bottle, and then I just wanted to try the primrose, and I have to tell, it's really nice. It smells so good. So the look is all ready, and it's time to pose.
Talking, 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 talk. Baby, let's just knock it off. They don't know what we've been through. They don't know about me and you. So I got something new to see. You just gon' keep.
So I hope you guys enjoyed the look that I did today, and I hope I helped you guys on how to do a crimped hair without iron. Like, not iron, like crimp iron or curling iron.
How could you be so heartless? Oh, how could you be?
So thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos. And please comment if there's anything in the world you guys want to say. Bye.